What is the world of Yiddish on the internet?
That's an interesting question. I feel that we can do so much. But now it's like an awakening of things because, for example, in the last few weeks, we have been translating people asking for volunteer if they speak Arabic. I know no one who speaks Yiddish will speak Arabic, but okay. We're doing the efforts the world is doing for the refugees and for the people that are leaving their countries. But knowing that Yiddish is becoming so hip, it's like, okay, now let's integrate with society. It's our way, and I feel that it's the moment where we can create and establish many things for the future if we want Yiddish to survive. I was hired by a translating agency located in Egypt to translate in Yiddish for Google. If that's not getting together and linking people, what is? And I think that the net does help you to do that because there are no boundaries, and it's a world for everyone to do it, no? And it's the way of getting people together, yes. But we have to do or help create an interest, a real interest on the net for that.